Chapli Kabab recipe. 500 grams ground meat, beef or chicken, 1 medium onion. Finely chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies. Finely chopped, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon crushed red chili. Flakes, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt, adjust to taste. 1/2 cup chopped fresh coriander leaves. 1/2 cup chopped fresh mint leaves. 2 eggs. 2 tablespoons besan gram flour. Oil for frying. 1. In a bowl, mix together the ground meat, chopped onion, green chilies, ginger paste, garlic paste, red chili flakes, ground coriander, ground cumin, garam masala, turmeric powder, and salt. 2. Add in the chopped fresh coriander and mint leaves, and mix well. 3. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and add them to the meat. Mixture along with the besan. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. 4. Shape the mixture into flat round patties, chapli kababs. 5. Heat oil in a frying pan, or etc., over medium heat, once hot. Carefully place the chapli kababs in the pan, or etc. 6. Cook the kababs for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. 7. Once cooked, remove the kababs from the pan and place them on paper towels to absorb any excess oil. 8. Serve the chapli kababs with naan, raita, and salad. Enjoy your delicious homemade chapli kababs.